drag it off with this truck.
We'll see.
You want to see that, don't you?
Yeah.
We're going to load it in this year.
I hope I got enough cut where it will.
This may be the funniest home videos, Drake. It might move it. Chevrolet 4-wheel drive, pretty tough. What y'all
Like
working
it wasn't
on?
there.
Trying to patch up the bathroom. Had a leak around. The tub's been in pretty bad shape for a
Oh,
while.
okay.
Patch it up a little.
Alright. I got a little plywood to do something.